You getting sleepy? What's good? Happy New Shoes Day, Super Toe fans! That's right, I have new shoes. No, I'm not sponsored by Asics, but yes, I want to be. But if you do want a pair of these, I bought them, I like the colors. I will leave a link in the description down below. There is a very limited selection of sizes, but who knows, you may get lucky and they might have your size. But for now, let's stop talking about me and talk about you and where you're taking me that's somewhere new. So we're going to Little Island. I'm going to take a look at the Super Tall here in Brooklyn. We're in Albee Square right now. But I saw the description for Little Island in the comments, and I was like, you're right, I've never actually heard of that. So I looked it up, as was suggested, and I am going there. Figure we'll take the R, F, and L there instead of just going straight there on the A train from Skimmerhorn. Yep, there's the good old DeKalb Avenue station. They got the whatever structure was over it completely torn down. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready again, DeKalb? Here it goes. Man. Not a lot of people use Omni because, I don't know why. I probably can't find a card that easily, but, they probably get annoyed by that air horn sounding every time they use it. Yes, the old identifier, super old identifier lights about which route you're taking. 8 minutes. Oh, we're going to do some cutting here. Don't want to wait 8 minutes for the R train. B comes in 5 minutes, and there goes what looks like a D train. Looks like a D. Yeah, through the little avenue there, so it doesn't stop at DeKalb. Goes straight over the Manhattan Bridge, and there's the B. But now I'm not taking the B. Okay, 2 more minutes. I'll just go ahead and wait. Let's do a little time-lapse dance. Anytime now, R-Train. Waiting for you. 2 minutes. Seems like longer than 2 minutes, but there it is. Cool, all right. Anywho, taking the R. We'll take the R just one stop, and then take the F all the way to 14th Street, and then the L all the way to 8th Avenue, and we'll hoof it from there to Little Island. Got to go all the way west from 14th Street.
This is the Manhattan-bound R train. The next stop is
J Street Metrotech. Wait a minute, aren't they renaming Metrotech Center or something? Shoot, I have to look that up later. But will they rename the station too? Interesting.
This is the Manhattan-bound R train.
All right. Anyway, enough pondering what might happen. Let's concentrate on what is happening. We're going to transfer to the F. Please, escalator status, please excuse the... This escalator is out of service until infinity. That sounds about accurate. I remember one time I tried to take that elevator at 125th on the 1 train line, and man, they said it'd be fixed by a certain date, and then it wasn't, and then they said it'd be fixed by this date, and then it wasn't, and that is one inconvenient station entrance to not have an escalator at, especially if you're carrying a lot of stuff. But we're not doing that today. F train. Going to take the F14th. Haven't been to York Street in a while. Guess we'll stop by there. We'll get off there, but let's see. Oh, 1 minute. Okay. Well, I guess we better head on to where the train's stopping. And this looks like a good spot. Wait right here. Cool. All right, there's the F train. Don't have orange on my shoes, but yeah, maybe I can get some orange laces. I didn't change the laces out because this is how the shoes look when I bought them, and I kind of like them. They're already pretty colorful, and I think colorful laces might make them just obnoxious. I don't know, we'll try it next time. Who knows?
This is a Manhattan-bound F local train. The next stop is East Broadway.
East Broadway!
Stand clear of the closing
Standing clear. Okay, hold your breath. Dope. Well, that was easy. It doesn't take long to get underwater at all from Brooklyn to Manhattan.
This is a Cleveland-bound F local train. The next stop is Delancey Street.
All right, it goes fairly local for a little while until it gets to West 4th, and then it goes straight to 14th, right? So I think I think that's right.
This is a Queens-bound F local train. The next stop is 2nd Avenue.
Okay.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
All right, well, this is fun. Hey, whoa, those are some nice shoes. Look at those. Thank you. That's some colorful stuff right there. I like that.
This is 2nd Avenue.
2nd Ave.
Transfers available to the M15 Select Bus Service.
Okay. Select bus.
This is a Queens-bound F
Sure.
local train. The next stop is Broadway, Lafayette Street.
It just sort of happened so organically. I forgot when they started announcing connections to or transfers to bus services. I know the automatic ones haven't had it for a long time.
The next stop is West 4th Street, Washington Square.
But I don't ever remember the conductor announcements including buses, even now. I could be wrong. But hey, I'm glad they're there. MTA is kind of going, they're improving, okay?
Local train. The next stop is 14th Street.
It's just taking a really long time for them to improve to the point where they get to where they need to be from when that long period of time where they just said, we're done improving.
14th Street. Transfers available to the 1, 2, 3, and out. Transfers also to the M14.
See, there's the M14. Well, we already knew that. The select bus service that goes down the 14th Street busway. We're not taking that. We're getting off at 8th Avenue. We're going to take the L to 8th Ave, and it's just pointless to try and take the, wait for the bus, and I don't know. I'm not taking the special bus service. Select bus service. Hey, man. Oh, those mangoes look good. What's the matter? Forget it. No. Oh, no. No. Oh, okay. It says no clear. No clear. Not nuclear. Okay. Whew. That's a relief. They covered up the ANCE with the red and white candy stripes. And there we go. 143. So didn't get a 160, but that's okay. Not full 160 day, but 2/3. Oh, great. We're being held. Yeah. Top view. Pretty cool. Not bad. Like I said, I don't have a brand deal with Asics, but I want one. So if you buy these, maybe I can say like, hey, look, I proved that I could, people want to buy the shoes that I wear. No advertisements. I'm doing the advertisement right now. Stop advertising Asics Super Toe. They don't pay you. Anyway, so I'm not telling you to do anything. If you don't, whatever. Do what you want. I'm just leaving it there. It offers me there's no reward for me in it. So if you're thinking you're helping me, maybe it will in the future, who knows. But if you want the shoes, I like them. I'm going to be wearing them for a while. Do what you feel. 8th Ave, we're going to do a little bit of walking now in these shoes. So I am going to come back and see another day and let you know on the next episode if they're actually comfortable or if my knees hurt like they did with the Transit Training Center here. Yeah, if my knees hurt like they did with those custom shoes I used to sell. Man, those were, I'm sorry. Whoever bought those and actually wears them as shoes, I want to apologize. Even the sneakers were just footy hurty. So does this work? Doesn't seem to work. Elevator Street doesn't say it doesn't work. Oh, look, it's coming down. Okay, it does work. But the light on the button doesn't work, and this little thing right here, oh, it would say that's the out of service sign. Okay, 14th Street. So the out of service sign actually would be on, right, if it didn't work. But it's not out of service, so the light is not on. So we're just going to chill here. Oh, people are coming in who actually need the elevator that are not me, because I'm just doing it for fun. There's this. It wasn't the 14. Anyway, on we go. Oh, look at that. Paintings. She looks like she bought paintings. Good for her. I don't know if she actually did or not. But anyway, so we're hoofing it west. Look at that. Okay, okay. This is the way to go. That's a pretty building. Oh, COVID testing site. Oh, well, okay. Another COVID testing site. Is it a different company? Are they going to start doing like territory turf wars like the Sabra carts? Select bus service. There's the that's going the wrong way, but that's the 14th Street Select bus service, M14. I guess I'll just wait here and go. There we go. Wow. Is that a tour bus? Well, there's a lot of buses behind too. Is that a tour bus that was converted into a COVID testing site? That is clever. I mean, I don't see anybody utilizing the top deck or anything, but it's still pretty clever. See, I could have taken that bus, but I didn't because, you know, I'm just going to hoof it in these shoes. My new shoes. Not taking the bendy boy today. What is this? Thor Equities. Oh, I'm not worthy to be here. Banksy versus Hectad. Well, if Hectad wrote that, Banksy's already winning because that looks awful. Oh, it's the High Line. I think this was in the comment section too. I've been here before, but it might be fun to actually come back here on a nicer day and do the High Line, like explore it. But that's not the goal today. The goal today, even though it's cold, is to go and explore Little Island. I have never been there, never even heard of it, so I'm very excited to come see what's up. Oh, is that it? Oh my gosh. That's gorgeous. Look at that. It's like a bunch of potted plants just growing out of the water, I guess. Is it over the water? I guess it is. Yeah, it's over the water. That is so cool. Who designed this? I should really do my research when I do these episodes. But in any case, you know, kudos to whoever designed Little Island. It looks fantastic. And there's a nice view of the Freedom Tower. And looks like an entrance to Little Island that has not been built yet or something. I don't know. Anyway, let's head on. So, explore. We got the remnants of what looks like it used to be a major pier, but it's definitely not anymore. Okay. Looks like it's a very rusty design here. Nice little common area where people can eat and relax. This is a cool park. I like it. Oh, art installations. I'm going to spin it. And wow. Oh, right. It doesn't work because of physics. Centrifugal force. All right, maybe I should slow it down some. Let's see. No, it's not slowing down on its own. Yeah, slow it down. There we go. That's how to do it. Not very musical, really, but maybe I'll slow it down a little more. There we go. Yeah, there's the beat. Get it, balls. Get it, ping pong balls. Make that. Yeah, okay. It's really not that interesting. Well, anyway, let's go on to. Oh, what's this? That's pretty cool. That looks really. That looks. What's going on? No. I was gonna say that looks like a really cool designed. Are you getting sleepy? That's good. Just kidding. That's pretty cool design though. I like it. That looks like a bunch of restaurants and more dead pier. Okay. Pretty cool little viewing area here. And a guy with he's got a DJI Osmo Pocket. He's probably got the newer model. He's actually talking to. He's probably got like a YouTube site too. He's like, yeah, everything's really rusty here on purpose. It looks like. Anyway, he's probably vlogging too, just like me. Maximum occupancy 815. There's an amphitheater here. That is cool. I wonder what kind of performances they have here during, when the weather's not so awful and cold. More art. I'm going to partake. Here it goes. The Super Toe Melody. Let's do this. Oh, no, there we go. Super Toe. Super Toe is so cool. Super Toga is so cool. He's so... Oh, it didn't reach. Whatever. Pretty cool. All right, not bad. Not bad. Wait a minute. What is that? Are you... What the heck? A guy in an astronaut costume in Little Island Park. Whatever, anyway. I can't figure out why those cables are there. Is this another musical art installation? No, it definitely doesn't make music. Oh, it's probably just there so people don't accidentally rub their shoulders against it and get rust on their clothes, maybe. Okay, I'm definitely not going to fall asleep this time. Definitely not going to get... Will not fall asleep. I will do whatever this spiral says. I got hypnotized that time. Did not fall asleep. Kudos to the designer of this park. Way better than Four Freedoms Park, I gotta say. It's just, this is nice. Very pretty. Just the design is something else, man. Nice view of New Jersey there. I'll stay that far away from it, thank you. Even the benches kind of match everything. The rustic atmosphere, the rustic area. There's a barge. Hey, barge. What you hauling? All right, this looks like the observation deck, so let's observe. There's New Jersey again. Still New Jersey. And there's the Freedom Tower again. Still freedomy. Anyway, that was pretty cool. Least impressive thing so far, honestly, was the observation deck, but still pretty cool. Ooh. Okay, wait, I didn't go up above here, so I guess I need to go up here to... Wait a minute. I'm guessing this giant Jenga, I'm guessing that is actually not a purposeful art installation. There's one. They're hogging it, so I can't actually play that one, but whatever. Lots of cool art stuff here. Oh, another one. Cool. I like these. Let's give it a spin. And, oh, wow. That's pretty cool. Like you're careening down a tunnel. Whoa, look, it looks like it's bulging out. That's kind of cool. Wow. What cool illusions. All right, anyway, let's go to, I guess we can call this the mini observation deck. After a busy summer, our lawns will be resting for the fall and winter seasons. Okay, I will help by not entering, especially since there's a gate here, but that looks like a really cool place to chill. Oh, what's over here? Something awesome? Oh, it's the restrooms. All right, well, I think that covers it for Little Island. See, this is the kind of thing I'm talking about. This is the kind of place I want to go. Places I have no idea existed, right? With art installations like this. So, right on. Thank you. Thank you. So, anyway, leave a comment. Tell me where to go next. Not next, but tell me where to go. Take me someplace new. And don't forget to subscribe.